privilege to be a part of this initiative because, you know, a campaign begins with a good team, but generally not necessarily ends with great results. But I think the team that is here on the dais is a team that should see this initiative successfully through. People who matter, people who want to make that difference. And of course, Mr. Milind. Mr. Milind said a lot. I've interacted with him before, and I know he's a man that keeps his words. When he started saying about, you know, when he started mentioning that big cars would also be towed, it set a fear in my heart because I know he's going to do what he says. So, sir, I will follow the rules. I try to follow the rules most of the time. Rather, definitely do follow the rules. But I think this initiative is already working because all along when we drove, we didn't get traffic coming here. So I believe that the initiative has already started working and the campaign is already moving. Like Mr. Karkera said, you know, the financial health of a city or a nation depends a lot on its roads and its safety. So I think, you know, all of us being involved, especially the media's hand is extremely important to get the message through. Street smart we are, but when it comes to breaking rules and doing the wrong things rather, I think we should channelize this energy in the right way, believe in the initiative, follow the initiative, and street safe we need to be. But I think the apps that are being introduced, the no honking zones that are being set up, all this will make a big difference for us to, you know, make Mumbai a safer place and a better place to live in. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'll now request Ms. Mandira Bedi to please share a few words with us.
Thank you so much for making me the absolute last. But there is still something left to be said. I have to say I'm very, very impressed with this initiative from the Mumbai Traffic Police and Top Gear. Street smart, street safe. There are actually many aspects to it, and I think you know, this first one of decongesting Mumbai, encouraging carpooling. When I was in school, all through my schooling years, it was 4 kids and me, and we all traveled together to school, and that just means 4 less cars on the road. That apart, there's traffic angels where volunteers come forward and make sure there are no jaywalkers. The pedestrians are not just protected, but are also made responsible. Lots of lovely aspects, and I think the one that is the most interesting is and especially for a woman, is the launch of the mobile app. All of us have been affected badly by traffic often in the city, so there is, of course, Google Maps that shows you the kind of traffic there is in various parts of the city. You get live Twitter feeds as well. But the best thing about that app is a woman can send an emergency alert to 3 of her contacts in case of an emergency, along with the last location that has been recorded by that app. So I think that is very, very useful for women. And there is also going to be a women's safety drive that is going to be flagged off on 8th of July, which I'm going to be a part of. And that will be spreading awareness for this, this very app. The app is also called Street Smart, Street Safe. And I think they've done very well to choose a very responsible and concerned citizen like Mr. Sunil Shetty as brand ambassador. So I think it's an amazing initiative, and I'm very happy to be here today. And I think the next 3 weeks, there's going to be a lot of awareness and a lot of wonderful initiatives being spread through this campaign. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now I'd like to invite Mr. Girish, editor, Top Gear India, to share a few words with us. Now time to go ahead with the Q&A, the question and answers. So you can raise your hand and the mic will be right there for your question. We can begin.
Okay, fine. We will share the APK file with them, and we will have it. I mean, it's usable. We've been testing it, and we will share with you. If someone can share later, if you can share the APK file with them.
Thank you.
But the app is essentially it's a one-stop shop. It shows you, it's not just for live updates like a Google map. It gives you
which we least expect. We are the most careful. And afterwards, it either 50% sorry or 50% pay, 50% of fine. Now, that means that we lose time, effort, going to the place. Of course, the people are very nice there, but I think the people who are employed to do the dirty job are not the right people. Can that be improved, or we suffer always? Thank you.
Of course, you are our first priority, and things are going to change for sure. The cranes people you are talking of, we are trying to corporatize that section as well. But let me mention another thing about the bikers. Normally, the four-wheelers are fairly disciplined than the two-wheelers are. Two-wheelers and three-wheelers actually create chaos in the traffic of Mumbai. And unfortunately, we are again redesigning these things of painting, or rather repainting and reposting the no parking zones so that they are more visible for the users of the road. But most of the times we see, empirically we see that the bikers are not parked at appropriate places. But surely we'll keep these things in mind to see that we cause least inconvenience to the citizens.
Thank you, sir.